Hey guys, Manuel here. How is everyone doing? Me and Zachary are in the garage again, and I bought a 10-foot flying aluminium dinghy. And I bought it cheap, paid only 200 bucks. And I replaced already the transom bracket in the back because it was pretty soft. And I replaced it with thermolite board. That's what I used for my transom on my boat as well. It's a fiberglass compound. It never rots. So I glued that on yesterday. Boat is a little bit too heavy for me to lift it around. So that's why I'm gonna put those dinghy wheels on it. Here we go. We are level now. And then I'm going to put the rollers in place, mark the holes and drill the hole through it. So what I think is, what they do is they're going to leave 1/2 inch space to the bottom of the boat, and then yeah, pretty close to the outside, the other one on the other corner. So I put it on some beams that I can see how much clearance I actually got under the boat. That's easily here 10 centimeter, and it will make it way easier for me to carry the boat around. So mark the holes now, and it's probably sitting there. So I'll probably still have space later on if I want to put a fish finder there. So put the screws already in here, ready to go. So put some sealant on it now.
Mina, what's this? Red thingy. Red thingy? Okay, watch this. Daddy, okay? You okay here?
No, I'm okay with it.
Okay. Okay. Beak. Check.
Okay. Both of the wheels are installed now. I want to check how heavy it is, if I can easily move it. And I'm going to put the GoPro here. Don't fall down there. Okay, watch it, buddy.
What?
Watch it. Watch it. Oh, wow. That is... I can put all my gear in there already, and it's so much easier. Wow. Man, it was so heavy. I was struggling it on one arm, balancing it around. But that's nice. That was definitely worth it to do it. So that was it. Just a quick video about the aluminium dinghy, what we did with the wheels, and how I did it. Other people probably have different other great solutions for doing it. And yeah, thank you so much for tuning in and watching. Please subscribe our channel if you don't have yet.
Subscribe with a picture.
Yeah, thanks buddy. And hit the like button and share this video so we get more views, more subscribers.
Subscribe with a picture.
See you next time, guys.